Hi guys, gabi na kami nakadating but we're here in ABE'S farm. Mag-check-in kami pero hindi ko alam saan nag-check-in dito. Takot. Finally guys, we're here in ABE'S farm. Hi guys, theresesohere. Hindi pa ako nag-intro. We're here in ABE'S farm because we're gonna have a staycation. It's our staycation weekend because it's gonna be my parents' anniversary in a few days. So, parang advanced celebration na rin. And I picked this place here in Pampanga kasi hindi kami aalis sa Pampanga. And super intimate ng place dahil 5 villas lang yung pinapagana nila ngayon. Ang busog. Kain tayo. Hi guys, maliligo na ako. Busog ako. Maliligo ako. Tapos, hangout lang sa labas. And before tayo maligo, lalagay ko sana yung skincare ko doon. Pero, let's open this first. Eto, may nagpadala sa akin ng, I think this is sanitizers and everything. From Silver Aid. Padala sila na, wow! There. Meron tayong Natural Defense Hand Foaming Wash. Wow! Lagay natin yun doon. Natural Face, Hand, and Body Defense Spray. Tapos, meron tayong Germ Protection Soap. And itong Natural Daily Defense Hand Cream. Wow, ang ganda. Meron silang mga sprays and hand cream dahil hand cream, kailangan natin to. Lalo na ngayon na nag-alcohol tayo lang. Galing. Ang ganda ng packaging, guys. Ayan. And meron pa silang pa-mask. Yung mask nila is color gray. Let's open this na. Yung Natural Defense Hand Foaming Water ng Silver Aid. Yan guys, tinanggal ko na yung contacts ko and now I got my PJs ready kasi maliligo tayo because nangangati na ako. So, ligo tayo and I'll see you in a bit. Skincare time. Ayan na yung skincare natin. And let's go. Last step. Cleanness. Good night lang tayo kanila mama at papa. Room service, mom. Nakapag-good night na kami, so time to sleep. Good morning guys. Sarap na tulog ko. Ang lamig ng room. Pero ito, umuulan din kasi. So, super lamig kanina. Or lamigin lang talaga ako tao. Pero for today, baka mag-swimming later and picture-picture everywhere kasi ang ganda ng place. Tapos, magbe-breakfast na kami. Pero hinihintay namin magising yung parents namin. Ayaw namin silang gisingin. So, let's wait. Ang ganda ng villa nila. So, mag-picture din daddy. Baka mag-bihis na ako niyan. And, okay, let's go, let's go. So, guys, tapos na kami kumain. And ngayon, wala na. Ano lang, chill time lang. So, staycation talaga na chill lang. Kasi dito sa place na to, sa ABE'S Farm, wala talagang wifi. At walang signal, guys. So, yun, walang LTE and everything. May signal lang dun sa kung saan kami kumain. But, here in the rooms, wala talaga, guys. Wala talaga. As in one bar, tapos walang internet at all. Walang LTE, walang 3G, walang anything. So, it's just a place for relaxation and rest. So, yun. Ayusin natin gamit natin. Okay, naayos ko na yung gamit ko and now, punta tayo sa room ng parents ko. I-room tour ko kayo. Pero bago yun, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga rooms dito. Meron silang big villa, which is this one. Ayan, pang family yata yan. Basta super laki niya. So, I think it's good for 12 persons. Ganun. And, yung sa amin, which is good for 4 persons. Nakita nyo na siguro yun sa mga videos ko kagabi. Ang ganda. And this one is my favorite. I think it's for couples. Tanyo, oh, ganda, oh. Ganda talaga. Lalo na dito. Pakita ko sa inyo yung view dito. Ayan, guys. Meron kang pa-garden, tapos may villa dun. Ito na ang sa parents' room ko. Room tour. Ang ganda nitong room nila. Ganito. Tara sa room ng ganyan. Tapos, good morning. Good morning. Ate, pasok ka ulit. Tapos yung good morning. Yan.
Good morning, world.
Nainggit si mama. Siya din daw. I'm crazy, crazy for you. Magpipicture tayo, kaya tayo nag-retouch. At may bag na tayo. And, alam mo, sino yun? Bahay mo, te. Dito sana ako magpipicture. Ang ganda. From here. Kaso, ang daming insekto. Kita nyo ba? May lumilipad-lipad doon. Hindi ako makapunta. Pero, eto, these are the villas for the massage. Pero, right now, wala silang massage dahil COVID pa. So, let's go. Natatakot ako. Baka madaming palaka dito. Picture tayo sa pool pero hindi tayo masi-swimming kasi wala, guys. It's our day, so no swimming for today. But we're gonna take photos. Maputik eh. Checking out already. We had the ABE room and the Gumamela room. Thank you so much, ABE'S Farm! After that checkout, ito na, nagpalit na ako ng shirt. Naka-loose shirt na lang ako and yung pants ko kanina kasi we're cleaning up this new house. And nakikita niyo naman, ang dami ko pang nakatambak na gamit dyan. Hindi ko pa alam saan sila lalagay. So, we're back to normal after the relaxation and the rest that we got from ABE'S Farm. So, I really enjoyed our stay in ABE'S Farm. Super intimate ng lahat dahil 5 villas lang yung ino-open nila. Parang intimate ng place. Lalo na kami, 2 villa yung nirent namin. Tapos yung 3 villa na nakasabay namin, puro sila couple. So, ang konti lang talaga ng tao, diba? Tapos, hindi pa kami nagkakasabay ng eating time. Like, nung dinner, yung mga kasabay namin, wala talaga. Kami lang talaga nung dinner. And nung morning, super hiwa-hiwalay dun sa restaurant. So, wala talaga. Wala kang makakasabay. So, medyo bawas ka ba sa COVID? And they're super happy talaga. And the only thing siguro na masasabi ko is ang daming lamok, guys. Siguro dahil foresty nga yung area, kaya super dami ng lamok. And umulan, so, yun. Siguro, if you're gonna visit ABE'S Farm, bring off lotion para na lang maiwasan yung lamok. But, wala na silang magagawa dun eh, kasi, di ba nasa forest area sila. But, there, we're doing our outro here, kasi super pawis ko kung nakikita nyo lang. Kaya, dito na lang sa salamin para hindi nyo makita. Ang pawis talaga, guys. Ayun, super enjoyed our stay, and I hope you enjoyed this video also. And I hope to see you in my next videos. Baka meron pa tayong mga future staycation to come. And thank you so much for watching. Bye! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Okay, bye!